In this exercise, we want to write a function that receives a text and then prints the indexes of any vowel in that text. And vowels in English are characters A, E, I, O, and U. For example, if the user enters counter, the indexes of vowels of 1 here, 2, and 5 in here. So let's define the function. Find vowel index. It receives a text. So again, a text in Python is a collection of characters. It's a list of characters, so we can apply list operations on text as well. All we need to do is a for loop that basically process the text character by character. Then we use the membership operator in to basically check the character is in vowel. So let me define the list of vowels.
Sir, the screen is on freeze.
Sorry. Let me declare the list of vowels. There are A, O, U, E, and I. So now, character. So we are processing the text character by character, and all we need to do is to check, hey, if this character is in this list of vowels, then just print the index of that character. So character in vowels, then print, and in order to get the index of the characters, we can just apply the index function that we had with lists. We just say text indexed char. That's basically it. The function inside our main program, we're going to just read a text, enter a text, then we just pass it to the function that we declared. Let's give it a try. Counter. And AO, okay, we are adding one space here. Again, counter, and we can see the indexes of the vowels.